Today, we're taking you inside one of the world's most advanced beverage factories, the Red Bull production plant. Every day, millions of cans are created here, with extreme precision, safety, and automation. From raw ingredients to the can you open in your hand, the entire process is controlled, measured, and tested at every step. So let's begin our full factory tour and discover how Red Bull is made step by step. This is the Red Bull Manufacturing Complex, a massive, high-tech facility equipped with stainless steel pipelines, automated silos, and 24/7 controlled production systems. Every part of the building is designed for speed, safety, and absolute cleanliness. The story of Red Bull begins here, where raw ingredients arrive in the factory. Trucks deliver purified water, caffeine, taurine, B vitamins, sugar, and natural flavoring components. Each ingredient undergoes strict laboratory testing to confirm purity, acidity, and safety before entering the production line. Only approved materials can move forward. Water is the main ingredient in Red Bull. Before it's used, the water is sent through a 7-stage purification system. Carbon filtration, UV sterilization, reverse osmosis, and microfiltration remove all impurities, producing water that is 99.9% pure. This is the origin of Red Bull's clean and consistent taste. We now enter the syrup preparation room. Here, flavor base, sugar solution, and all active ingredients come together inside massive stainless steel mixing tanks. Robotic systems measure everything with extreme precision. This concentrated mixture is the heart of Red Bull. The purified water is blended with the flavor syrup in exact proportions. Sugar provides rapid energy. Taurine supports focus and endurance, and B vitamins help the body convert food into fuel. Every part of this formula has a purpose. Next comes carbonation, one of the most important steps. High-pressure CO2 is injected into the liquid, giving Red Bull its signature fizz and refreshing character. This step requires strict temperature control to maintain stable carbonation levels. Now let's see how Red Bull cans are made. Large rolls of aluminum are transformed into lightweight cans using high-pressure forming machines. When the can shape is complete, each one is thoroughly washed and sterilized to ensure total hygiene. Thousands of empty cans travel through the factory on high-speed conveyor belts. They move rapidly toward the filling chambers, never stopping for even a second. This is the heart of the entire factory, the filling section. Each filling valve fills over 2,000 cans per minute with incredible precision. The machine ensures that every can contains the exact same amount of Red Bull. Even a tiny deviation can cause an entire batch to be rejected. As soon as the cans are filled, they are sealed instantly. Spinning sealing heads attach the lids using extreme pressure, creating a perfect airtight seal. This locks in the freshness and carbonation inside every can. The sealed cans now pass through a temperature-controlled pasteurization tunnel. They are heated and cooled at exact intervals. This ensures microbiological safety and long shelf life. Next is the labeling line. Robotic label applicators wrap every can with its iconic Red Bull design in a fraction of a second. Laser sensors check for misalignment or damage. A laserjet printer marks each can with the production date, batch number, and factory identification code. Nearly 600 cans per minute pass through this station. Red Bull has one of the strictest quality control systems in the beverage industry. Robotic inspection units check weight, carbonation pressure, lid sealing, label accuracy, and liquid clarity. Any can that does not meet standards is removed immediately. Only the best cans move forward.
The approved cans enter the packaging department. High-speed robots arrange them into 4-packs, 6-packs, 12-packs, and 24-packs. A heat shrink machine wraps each pack tightly for transport. Massive robotic arms place the packs onto wooden pallets in perfect stacks. These robots follow precise algorithms to maintain balance, weight distribution, and stacking safety. The completed pallets move into the warehouse. This area is climate controlled at exactly 18 degrees Celsius to maintain freshness. Here, tens of thousands of cans wait for worldwide distribution. From here, Red Bull ships to more than 170 countries. Automated forklifts load pallets into trucks, containers, and cargo units for international transport. Every shipment is tracked digitally from factory to destination. Red Bull is committed to sustainability. Every aluminum can is 100% recyclable. Wastewater is purified and reused. Energy-efficient machines reduce electricity consumption across the entire facility. This is the control center, the brain of the factory. Here, engineers monitor carbonation levels, temperature, pressure, filling accuracy, and conveyor speeds. Large digital screens show real-time data for the entire factory. The facility uses world-class safety systems, chemical sensors, fire detectors, air purity monitors, and automated emergency response units. Every machine is monitored by AI to identify potential issues before they occur.
Before entering production areas, every employee must pass through an air shower chamber. They wear sterilized uniforms, gloves, masks, and hair coverings to maintain extreme cleanliness. In this testing lab, technicians examine random cans from every batch. They test caffeine balance, pH levels, consistency, taste quality, and carbonation. Each batch must pass at least 30 individual tests. This section of the factory handles flavor variations: Blue Edition, Yellow Edition, Coconut Berry, Watermelon, and more. Each flavor requires a unique syrup blend and controlled mix-in cycle. And that is the journey of a Red Bull can, from raw ingredients to packaging, from warehouse to your hand. Precision engineering, ultra-clean environments, advanced robotics, and strict quality control make Red Bull one of the most reliable and consistent energy drinks in the world. Thank you for joining this full factory tour. Subscribe for more AI-powered factory documentaries and behind-the-scenes production videos.